In mapping, sometimes data alone isn't enough. Sometimes you need to say something directly in the scene. That's where our new Add Annotation tool comes in. This tool allows you to place text annotations anywhere in your project, whether you're labeling assets, calling out site-specific notes, or creating shareable reports with descriptive text. This new tool gives you more expressive power in both 2D and 3D. The Add Annotation tool acts like a digital sticky note you can place directly into your scene. You can type in any message as it supports multiple lines, non-Latin characters, and separator characters. It is viewable in both 2D and 3D, and it is anchored with a movable point so you can reposition annotations easily. To create an annotation, select the Add Annotation Tool button in the right-hand toolbar in the canvas. You are then able to assign the annotation a layer. You can then left-click to select a point on your model, and once placed, right-click to finalize the placement. If you would like to input the corresponding coordinates, you can also input them under Input Coordinates, and then hit Place Point to finalize. Upon creating your point, you can either select the point on the model with your cursor. If you do this, please make sure that you have exited the annotation tool first, or select the annotation from your drawing manager. Following this, the annotation submenu will pop up where you can change the annotation's layer, color, as well as type in your specific text for the annotation. That text will then become visible on the canvas model as well. The Modify Heights tool allows you to adjust the annotation's elevation in the model based on your specific needs. With it, you can set elevation to a specific height, pick elevation by selecting a point on the model, and sample elevation, which sets the annotation point on the mesh's surface elevation. This is useful for ensuring annotations align precisely with terrain features, structures, or specific elevation references. Keep in mind though, the user is also always able to click the annotation and drag the annotation's point around anywhere on the model. If you deem that your annotation text is too large or too small, you can change the size of the annotation by selecting the drawing manager and then selecting Default Size Settings. In it, you are able to change the line, point size, as well as the default font size for your selected layer. You are also able to export the annotation in various formats and change the unit of measure. If you are wanting to batch export all of your annotations that you've made in your project, you can do so by selecting to export the drawing to your necessary format. If you would like to only export certain annotations, you can checkmark Export Only Visible Features, and make sure that the annotations that you would like exported are turned on and visible in the canvas. Annotations are not just for personal use, they can be collaborative too. When you share a dataset with others, they also have the ability to leave annotations on the model if given permission. This means teams can comment directly on the scene, provide feedback, highlight issues, or coordinate actions, all in the context of the map or model itself. This allows anyone to stay on the same page, literally and visually. When other viewers make annotations on a project, their initials associated with their account will appear as an icon on the annotation. This makes it easy to identify who left each note and helps maintain accountability and clarity across teams. The Add Annotation tool gives you a simple but powerful way to communicate directly within your project environment. Whether you're flagging key locations, leaving notes for collaborators, or prepping your deliverables, annotations help turn models into actionable insights. This feature is designed to bring clarity and communication directly into your mapping canvas. While it's still evolving, we think this is going to be a powerful addition for any user who wants to go beyond visual data and start embedding insights directly into their 3D workflows. If you're excited to try the annotation tool, or if you have feedback, please let us know. Your suggestions are helping shape the future of PixElement.